In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Google account in Opera GX in just 5 minutes. Whether you're using Opera GX as your primary browser, or you've just started exploring its many features, knowing how to efficiently manage your Google account is essential for a seamless browsing experience. So, let's dive into the steps to ensure your digital privacy is maintained. First things first, let's head over to your Opera GX browser. Make sure you're logged in and have the browser open on your computer. As you navigate this process, it's helpful to have your browser window maximized. This allows for easy access to all features and ensures you don't miss any pop-ups or buttons that might otherwise be hidden. Once you have Opera GX up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see either your profile picture if you've personalized your account, or a generic icon indicating your account's presence. This icon is your one-stop shop for account management, giving you access to various settings related to your account. Click on your profile picture or the generic icon. This action will open up a drop-down menu that's full of different options tailored for managing your Google account and preferences. Take a moment to view the options available. This menu is a quick access point for various settings, but for today, our focus will be on one specific task. Scrolling through the drop-down menu, you'll want to look out for the sign out option. This step is crucial because regardless of the browser, your Google account enables multiple features, and signing out ensures your activities and data remain private. By signing out, you maintain control over who has access to your personal information, especially useful if you're using a shared or public computer. Once you locate the sign out option, go ahead and click on it. This will immediately sign you out of your Google account, effectively terminating the session in your current browser window. It's a simple click, but it's a vital step for managing your online footprint and protecting your data from unauthorized access. Taking these simple steps guarantees your online activities are secured, especially in environments where multiple users might interact with your device. You've successfully signed out, and should you wish to sign in again, just repeat the initial steps but select the sign in option instead. And there you have it, signing out of your Google account using Opera GX, done quickly and easily. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience.